So Hatsurei Ho is a very beautiful technique which you can use for healing yourself and cleaning your channel, becoming a powerful healer. So in this technique, you can sit or stand and invoke the beautiful energy of Reiki and feel the flow as it goes into the crown, third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra into your hands and feet. And just be aware of your normal, natural breathing. Relax. And then, as you breathe in, take your right hand, reach the left shoulder, and then go back while exhaling. And inhale, take your left hand, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slow movement. Inhale, exhale. You're healing your heart chakra also in this process. The healing of the heart chakra is the hallmark of the second level. So this, you're crossing the heart. After 3 times, then you inhale and heal your left hand with your right hand while you exhale. Inhale, heal your right hand and do this 3 times. Inhale. You can feel the vibration in your hands. Have an intention that the energy flowing through your hand, the channel, the pathway is becoming clean. Inhale. Now, when you do healing with your hands, even that will be more powerful. Relax. After this, the next step is inhale and take both your hands above your head and just keep here as if you're holding a pot, matka. And like a waterfall, Reiki energy is flowing into your main channel, this nadi, through which the 7 chakras are also there. It's flowing through all the 7 chakras, and you can feel the flow, feel the vibration, feel the sensation. Breathe normally during this time for a couple of seconds or 2 3 minutes. You can keep your hand like this, just feeling the flow of Reiki. Reiki is filling your body. The white light of Reiki is filling your body slowly, 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 just like a bottle is filled with water. Your body is getting filled with white light of Reiki. And now it is overflowing. This white light is overflowing all around you. A ball of energy is formed. This is the white light of Reiki is protecting you from all sides. All positive energy is attracted, negative energies are repelled from this ball of energy, which is with you now, and it will remain with you for a long time, for the rest of your day. Now you are totally charged. Every cell, every tissue, every muscle of your body is charged with Reiki. Now, as you exhale, just slowly bring your hands down and take 3 deep breaths. Ah, while exhaling, make this sound. Any remaining tension, stress from the body is released. Ah, wow. Everything is released. Now bring your hands in prayer position. Thank all the gods and goddesses and all the people in your life. Just bless them. Bless all the people in your life. Think of all the people. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May all beings be peaceful. Sabka bhala ho. May good happen to everyone. Blessings to everyone. Blessings to everyone. Blessings to everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, thank Reiki energy. And now you can just feel the energy field around you. You'll feel, just move your hands like this and just feel the mild vibration you'll feel in your hands. The hands have also become very sensitive. You can do this before you're doing the healing, physical level healing or distance healing also. If you do this Hatsurei exercise before this, your healing will be even better because now you are full of energy and your channel is clean. So more and more energy can flow through you and the distance healing will be much better. This exercise is now complete. It hardly takes 7 to 8 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. You can do it multiple times during the day. Whenever you feel tired, also you can do it. Whenever you're coming home from outside, from your work, you can do this. This is a beautiful exercise, and people have reported lot of benefit because of this. Students love this exercise because it gives a lot of energy, and once you master this, you can even do some parts of this and feel wonderful in minutes. So master this technique and this is going to help you a lot. So you can do if you're someday you're not able to do seven chakra healing also, if you just do this also, that's enough. So this is a replacement technique for the seven chakra healing. So it's a beautiful, I love it and it energizes you very quickly. So master this, practice it day a couple of times, 2 times at least a day, and then in a couple of days you'll master it. So then you'll feel it more powerful.